Hello, I'm Lib, and today I'll walk you through the setup of the Dahua VTO and VTH system. We'll be connecting these devices in a one-to-one configuration using the video intercom kit. By the end, you'll have the setup completed and linked to the DMSS mobile application, giving you remote access and control. Let's get started. Let's start by looking at the components. The VTO, VTH, 2-wire controller, branch terminal, line terminal connectors, and the 48-volt power supply. In this one-to-one configuration, we don't need the branch or line terminal connectors, but keep in mind they're available if you expand to multiple VTO or VTH units in the future. In this setup, the VTO and VTH are connected to the 2-wire controller in parallel. To do this, use the push connectors on the back of the VTO, making the installation quick and straightforward. Then connect the 2 wires to the back of the VTH using the cable that's included. Now connect the power supply to the 2-wire controller. Once everything is powered up, press the call button on the VTO to test the setup.
Calling now. Please wait a moment.
To add the device to the DMSS mobile app, first ensure the VTH is connected to the internet. Tap the monitor, go to the Settings tab, select Wireless, and connect to your network using your credentials. Next, select the Password tab and choose Network Password. A password has already been set, but normally you'd enable the cloud feature and set a new one here. The default username is User. Finally, select the QR code tab. Scan it using the DMSS application and your device will be added. Let's test the VTH in the app to confirm the setup. And that's it! Your Dahua 2-wire video intercom system is now fully set up and connected to the DMSS mobile application. Ready for remote access and control with just a few simple steps. You're now equipped with a secure, reliable video intercom system setup. If you're interested in expanding your system or have any additional questions, be sure to check out the user manual or reach out to our team. Thanks for watching.